In this video, we're going to evaluate the limit by first recognizing the sum as a Riemann sum for a function defined on the closed interval 0 to 1. And the limit is the following. It's the limit as n goes to infinity of 1 over n times the quantity, square root of 1 over n, plus the square root of 2 over n, plus dot, 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 plus the square root of n over n. So the function that I claim we're going to deal with is the following. So we're going to let f of x equal the square root of x on the closed interval from 0 to 1. Now, pictorially speaking, it looks like this. So we have x and y, okay? And when x is 0, the y value is 0. When x is 1, y is 1. So we're looking at something like this, right? It's supposed to be the square root function here, okay? And if we partition 0 to 1 into n subintervals of equal width, now your delta x is equal to 1 over n if you partition that interval into n subintervals of equal width. That's this part. And then if we go out to the right endpoint, so this is 1 over n, I'm going to build a rectangle. Now, the area of that first rectangle is 1 over n times 1 divided by the square root of n, or the square root of 1 over n. So you get 1 over n times the square root of 1 over n. And if I go out to 2 over n, and I'm going to use that right endpoint to build a rectangle. And I look at the area of the second rectangle. That's 1 over n times the square root of 2 over n. And I keep going until I get to n over n, which is the same as 1, right? I'm looking at the area of this rectangle. And that's 1 over n times the square root of n over n. So this is the correct function, f of x equals square root of x, and it's going to be on the interval from 0 to 1. And so this is going to equal the integral from 0 to 1 of the square root of x dx. So we're going to transform this limit into a definite integral. And so this is 2/3 x to the 3/2 evaluated from 0 to 1. And so the correct answer here is 2/3. And so the limit as n goes to infinity of 1 over n times that quantity, and the quantity is square root of 1 over n plus the square root of 2 over n all the way out to the square root of n over n. That's going to produce 2/3 when it's all said and done. Thank you.